Oh, okay, I haven't videoized anything. We're still on this road. Okay. We're coming to this market here. Was called, there was Essenwood Market. Now it seems to be called Musgrave Market. And then Overport Mall, the Atramet Overport is around that corner. And then Musgrave Mall is on the other side of this market. I'll try and show if I get space to do another video. I would be walking in here, but it seems like I can still walk in here. Okay, let's walk around just so that I show you the other area on the other side. So the park, it was now utilized by soccer players most of the time. So, well, as you can see, the grass is not as green because somehow this year the Durban municipality seems to be ignoring most of the city parks. They're not watering them. I guess that has got to do with the water crisis. There's a new building that is coming up there. We're still on this road going up. All right. So we are in Musgrave now. When you cross this road, which is now called Stephen Dlamini, this side is still Essenwood, this side is Musgrave. So we are now at Musgrave. Musgrave Road is the next road, not this one. So where Stephen Dlamini goes downhill, that's where Musgrave is. You go, it goes over you. Yeah. So these are the straight areas of the hills of Berea. The stuff that you don't see when you are standing at the city down there. You don't see these straight areas. And these are areas which carry most of the community. They stay in these flat areas down the hill. All right. And then we go this route. We're going to the market. That's the direction we are taking. All right. Those are the folk who possibly stay here at the park, like I was saying in another video, which most parks seem to have been left to be taken by those street dwellers. That place is quite huge. It also has that second apartment building. I never saw that second one. I only knew the first one. Jeez, it's big. Alright, we're going to Essenwood. It used to be called Essenwood Market. Alright, so now it's called Musgrave Park. All city parks have been neglected. You can see that the grass now looks horrible compared to how it was a year ago or 2 years ago. It's just basically going down and down in terms of, but then that has to do with water. Okay, I've never seen this hotel. I've always known that it is here. It is Essenwood Park Hotel there. I've always known it's here. I've never seen it. Okay, there it is. Essenwood Park Hotel. Essenwood Park was very beautiful, guys. That's what I can tell you. It was a very beautiful park. Okay. So obviously being in that hotel back then when the park was very beautiful was basically what, Lani. Yeah, you were a wealthy guy to be in that boutique hotel next to this park, which was very, very beautiful back in the day with all those Durban bright flowers. Now we are reaching the market on Dar. Okay. The boot market is not operating, but this one is still on. Thank you. So we're gonna videoize this market. We are at the market now. This gate is closed this year. Okay, it's not closed. Nope. It's no longer a white market. It's a Muslim Indian market too.